Here's a quick tutorial on how to play the printed version of Up and Over. First of all, you have to print the PDF onto sturdy cardstock paper. That way your game's going to last a lot longer and the cards are going to be nice and sturdy for play. Then you have to cut out the little pieces. And so you've got a puzzle on page 2, the little character on page 2, and then all the small game cards. You place your game board on the table and place your little character at the start mark. He's going to be shot out of the cannon. And the idea of the game is that we have to get the pool full of water before the little guy gets there. And the problem is the elephant's been eating a lot of peanuts, so he's thirsty. And he might just drink the water as fast as we can put it in there. But hopefully we're going to have that full by the time he gets there, or we lose the game. We've got a puzzle here that shows a full pool, and hopefully we have that in place before the little character flies up and over the elephant. The next step is to put down our small game cards. Now usually we put these down face down, just so that nobody can peek, and then we choose any cards we want for our task. I use Printable Artic cards, but you can use any sight word cards, vocabulary, math cards you want, and just cover up the little small game cards. We're going to pick one of them by naming the card or reading the card or doing a task. And you can see the game card we found is a little bucket. So that's great. That means we can put one piece of the puzzle over, and it looks like we're going to fill that little pool. Our next card shows the little guy flying, so that means we've got to move fast because he's on his way. But this card is not a great one. We've got the elephant thirsty. That means we have to take off a piece of our puzzle. So the idea of the game is that we keep choosing cards and moving the characters as we go. And if the guy gets all the way to the pool and it's empty, then we lose the game. Even if there's 3 pieces in place, he's still not enough. But if the pool is full before he gets there, then we win the game. Now there's another way to play this game. It's with the Printable grids, and these grids are set up for Artic cards, but they come in 2 printed pages, again printing onto cardstock paper. And what we do is we just have to cut off that little purple strip there and then put the 2 pieces together. And there's a little mark there where we put a round head fastener through, and then this way we can actually rotate the right hand piece so it folds underneath, and then we can put it in a file folder. It's just great for storage or for traveling from school to school. And then we take our small game cards and we put them in place, and they fit actually into the squares of the grid. But I put them here face up. They have to be face down so the players can't see which ones they're picking. And to pick a card now, we choose 2 words. So this is the grid is great for saying 2 words at a time. For example, I picked the farm and the fox. So it's a grid, so with the matrix indicates this card here. And look, we have the little guy moving, so then we just play the game like that. The next card is I picked fish and 4. And we choose this card, we can turn it over, and yeah, I guess maybe somebody peeked. Now we get 2 moves of the guy towards the pool. So that's how you play. You just continue to turn over the small game cards as you name 2 items. And this is a cooperative game. Hopefully everybody works together to win together. Have fun.